Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign in with GitHub on Qwenlm AI. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm going to guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to your preferred web browser. Once you're in your browser, navigate to the Qwenlm website. Tap on the link of chat.qwenlm.ai. Once you're in the website, you'll see this kind of interface. At the top right corner, you can see the login option. Tap on it. Once you're in the login page, now in order to sign in with the GitHub, make sure that you have a GitHub account. For that, here you can see the GitHub icon. Simply tap on it. Now here, you need to provide your GitHub account credentials. Enter your username or email address related to your GitHub account. And below that, enter the password of that account. Once you are done, tap on the sign in option. Once it verifies your account, tap on this authorize button. It will recognize your GitHub account and you just need to tap on this confirm button again. You can slide this all the way. And that's it. That's how you can easily sign in with your GitHub account on Qwenlm AI. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.